Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I want to talk about a mistake that many English learners make. They memorize hundreds of English sentences. They memorize long paragraphs. They memorize difficult dialogues. But when someone asks them a simple question, they don't know what to say. Why does this happen? Because they have learned sentences. They have not learned how to express their own ideas. Let me explain. Imagine you memorize this sentence. I enjoy traveling because it helps me explore new places. It sounds beautiful, but what if someone asks, what did you eat for breakfast today? The memorized sentence cannot help you.